All right, y'all. So we gonna put this brand new bat tire on. Like as you can see, he definitely got a great ride out of this tire. You know what I'm saying? This is what you call a, getting your money worth for real, man. But that's what we gonna do. We gonna swap the old tire and put the new tire in with a new tube, and then we gonna go from there. Yeah, man. So I got that old tire off right here in the old tube. So the next thing I'm gonna do is just throw that new tire on in the new tube. Then we're gonna pump it up, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, y'all, we got the wheel, the tube, the new tire, the tube, and everything on. So next thing we're gonna do is put air in it. As you can see, the bead is popping out around the rim. All right, y'all. So one more thing I want to let y'all know tell y'all is when you pump the tire up, the wheel, you want the lip to pop out around the whole rim. You want that lip to pop out around the whole rim, because if that lip don't pop out, it's gonna cause the back tire to feel like it's real, like riding bumpy while you're riding, or it could cause it to feel like it's shaking in the back or wiggling, and it'll throw you off balance. So. But other than that, only thing we're gonna do is put that wheel back on, put a little bit of oil on the chain, and then we're gonna go from there. All right, y'all. One more thing that I did do, I just adjusted the chain, made it a little more tighter. And you see that brand new wheel on there. So next thing we're gonna do is just crank it up. See if it still got that V-touch, then we're gonna go from there. Definitely ready.